The long-term care profession continues to evolve as medical advances help our population live longer and our healthcare delivery system adapts to meet consumers' changing needs. As an association that supports this evolving profession, it is important to provide opportunities for high-quality education, training, and professional advancement so the individuals we serve will receive the very best in long-term care. The educational foundation of the Ohio Healthcare Association was founded in 1989 with that purpose in mind. Today, eFOCA provides education and training to sharpen the skills of our professionals, and we issue scholarships to encourage our employees to pursue advanced degrees in healthcare. Each year, our foundation offers webinars, seminars, conferences, and an annual convention that equips more than 6,000 long-term care professionals with high levels of education and training. In addition, eFOCA invests in the future of our profession by supporting our workforce in the advancement of their careers. Each year, our foundation is proud to award more than $100,000 in scholarships so our employees can return to school and enhance their professional education. Since we began, eFOCA has helped several hundred of our member employees better their careers and the quality of our profession by awarding more than $1 million in educational scholarships.
The foundation was originally established to provide financial resources for people to advance their careers in long-term care. The businesses of the long-term care profession saw a need, and we knew we had committed people that, given the right opportunities, could advance their careers with the different professions of long-term care.
Monica Alicehouse has spent the last 12 years working at Hennis Care Center in Dover. Her desire to become a nurse began while visiting her grandmother in the same facility.
My grandmother was sick. She had suffered from CHF in her late 50s, early 60s, and she was actually in this facility that I work at and had nothing but good things to say about the nurses and the people who take care of her, and I saw firsthand how they made an impact on her life. And I was working, I had no career at the time, and it really made me think that's something I would like to do, and I went into it. And once I was in school, I had no plans on long-term care until I got into school and realized that I really wanted to get to know my residents and their families and just be a part of their life like the nurses had done with my grandmother.
As a single parent, going back to school was tough financially for Monica. Then she heard about the eFOCA scholarship program. She applied and was awarded $2,500 in 2011 and $4,000 in 2012.
Right now, I am going for my associate's degree in nursing. I've been an LPN for 9 years. I'm doing the bridge program into the RN program. And honestly, without the scholarship, I probably wouldn't be there because financially, I don't think it would have been possible. To advance my career, I need to go back to school. There's, new research, new findings every day in the field of nursing and in medicine in general. And to stay up to date, you have to further your education and you have to keep going and learning. So without the scholarships, I couldn't do that.
Monica is grateful to the foundation and the donors for the scholarships she's received.
I would definitely, on behalf of myself and any other recipients, want to say thank you so much, because without this, it wouldn't have been possible. And not only for me, but I think it also, with my 3 kids at home, it's encouraging them to see me in school and provide that positive. So it's not only helping me, but it definitely gives them something to strive for also.
As scholarship recipients advance their careers, they have a positive impact on their care communities.
The long-term care community benefits because the scholarship recipients are implementing and utilizing best practices. The scholarship recipients are using advanced clinical technology that's going to move quality improvement programs forward. It's going to benefit everyone that we serve.
I decided to become a nurse because my mom had cancer 3 different times. Each time I saw the caring and compassion that nurses gave to her, and I wanted to do the same for others.
Kayla has been with Colonial Manor in Loudonville for over 10 years. After working as an LPN and in medical records, she decided it was time to fulfill her dream of becoming a nurse. She applied for an eFOCA scholarship to help defray the cost of tuition.
I received the scholarships in both 2011 and 2012. My initial reaction was excitement and also relief. I am a working mother of 3, so by receiving the scholarship, it has helped me to pay for my college and be able to reduce my work hours to focus on schooling and my children. The scholarship is helping me because I'm able to further my education and become an RN. My ultimate career goal is to become a director of nurses in a long-term care facility. I've also been thinking about going back to school once again to get my master's and become a nurse practitioner.
Kayla is thankful to the donors for continuing to support these scholarships.
I feel the scholarship is important because it ensures that caring and compassionate people can continue to work in long-term care.
Thanks to our generous members and donors, our scholarship recipients are able to advance their skill sets and receive the latest training in their fields.
It's very important for people to give because you're making a difference in a person's life. In this Education Foundation, you're making a great advance in their careers. But who does that benefit? It benefits our employees that are in the long-term care industry. But the bottom line is it benefits our residents. And that's what we're all about.
It's been very important to me. It's been very important to my family. And we just see the satisfaction in the scholarship recipients' eyes when they receive that scholarship. And we see it every day where they're making a positive difference in a lot of people's lives.
I always dreamed about being a nurse, and I always wanted to be one, but I never acted on that. I did get a job here in long-term care, and I watched my peers around me, and so that was always in the back of my mind. And then my dad ended up getting sick. He died of lung cancer, and I was there through his nursing care at home. And the nurses, they were from hospice, they came in, and they were like truly amazing. So I thought, you know what, right now's the time to go back, and that's what I did.
Once Veronica made the decision to go back to school, she knew it would be tough as a working mother to find the time and the support, so she decided to seek financial assistance.
I've applied, and I have won 3 scholarships through the OHCA scholarship program. I usually got my letter at the end of March, sometimes early April, and I would walk out to the mailbox every day and I would wait, and then I would receive the letter, and I was just excited. I would run in and I would call my mom and I would let her know, and of course when I came to work I would let everybody know, so I was really excited.
Veronica has been with Welcome Nursing Center in Oberlin for 12 years. She's currently the activity assistant, but looks forward to advancing her career in nursing.
I think it's important for those who are working in long-term care to have advanced opportunities to gain more knowledge, because it's a changing field. Technology's changing, diseases are changing, the elderly population has special needs, and it's very important for workers to gain more knowledge and do a more evidence-based approach into caring for these individuals.
It's taken Veronica 6 years to complete her nursing program, but she is thrilled as she nears graduation and the start of her dream career.
I would like to let the donors know that how much I really appreciate it. For one, it has really meant a lot to me to be able to receive the scholarship to help pay for the college and tuition and books, and really to enable me to make a better future for myself and advance my career in long-term care.
The skill sets needed by today's long-term care professionals continue to evolve as the needs of our care communities and those we serve continue to change. Thanks to the ongoing efforts of the Educational Foundation of the Ohio Healthcare Association, we are able to truly make a difference. We are able to sharpen the skills of our valuable workforce through quality education and training, and we are able to advance the professionalism of our workforce by awarding educational scholarships. The difference we are making can not only be seen in the lives of our employees, but in the lives of the individuals we care for and rehabilitate every day in our communities. Thank you, OHCA members, for helping us make this difference. Together, we are creating a better educated workforce, a higher quality profession, and a bright, successful future for long-term care.